So hello everyone, this is Easy Automation here, and as you know we have solved one problem based on TOF instruction in our previous video, and in this video I'm going to show you how TOF instructions timing diagram would look like. So without wasting more time, let's start. But before that you need to subscribe our channel because we want to build this community around PLC automation. So let's subscribe and start with this video. So to show the timing diagram, I need to delete this T-on instruction because it will create some conflict. And I will just add one another output coil here, which will show you the enable bit. So now I have added one another output here, and I will just give address of our enable bit to this NO contact. So for that, I need to add T4 colon 0 slash EN. This will add enable bit to this NO contact. So whenever our enable bit goes high, then by that this NO contact will become NC and our output will glow. And similar way TT bit and done bit will also operate our output 2 and output 3. So now let's download this program and run this program. So now our program is in ideal condition, which means no any bit is on because our timer is not on yet. But if I toggle this input, then our enable bit and done bit will go high as shown in the timing diagram, but our TT bit will only operate or go high whenever our timer is counting its time. So for that we need to untoggle this bit. So I will just untoggle this bit and our timer will start counting, by which our enable bit will go off and our TT bit and our done bit are on as shown in the timing diagram. And as our accumulator value and preset value gets equal, then our done bit and TT bit will go down as shown in the timing diagram. So this is the timing diagram of T off instruction, which is way different than our T on instructions timing diagram. And I hope you got clear about enable bit, TT bit and done bit of our T off instruction and how they behave whenever I give rising or falling input to our T off instruction. So with this timing diagram, you can get a clear idea how our TOF instruction works. So take a screenshot of it if you don't want to lose this information. So with that being said, I will see you in the next video in which I think I am going to solve some more problems based on TOF instruction. So for those videos, hit that like button and subscribe our channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye.